In this slide number 1, we will talk about the title and context of this presentation. This presentation covers the recruitment notification for graduate engineer trainees by Electronics Corporation of India Limited, under advertisement number 06/2025, dated 16th May 2025. In this slide number 2, we will talk about the notification overview. ECIL is inviting applications from young and dynamic engineering graduates for various roles across its headquarters in Hyderabad and offices throughout India. This opportunity is for those ready to contribute in areas such as manufacturing, development, and quality assurance. In this slide number 3, we will talk about the total number of vacancies. ECIL is offering a total of 80 graduate engineer trainee positions. These are distributed across disciplines including electronics, computer science, mechanical, electrical, civil, instrumentation, and chemical engineering. In this slide number 4, we will talk about the application fee. The application fee is 1000 rupees for candidates from General, OBC non-creamy layer, and EWS categories. Candidates belonging to SC, ST, persons with benchmark disabilities, defense officers, and current ECIL employees are exempted from paying the fee. The fee must be paid through SBI Collect, either online or offline. In this slide number 5, we will talk about the important dates you need to remember. The online registration starts on the 16th of May, 2025 at 2 p.m. and closes on the 5th of June, 2025 at 2 p.m. Hall tickets for the computer-based test will be made available on the official ECIL website. Personal interview call letters will be sent via email and updated on the website as well. In this slide number 6, we will talk about the age limit criteria. The upper age limit for unreserved candidates is 27 years as of 30th April 2025. However, relaxations are provided for candidates from reserved categories including SC, ST, OBC, persons with disabilities, ex-servicemen, and those domiciled in Jammu and Kashmir during the specified period. In this slide number 7, we will talk about the educational qualifications required for the GET post. Candidates must have a 4-year full-time degree in engineering with at least 60% marks of first class. For SC and ST candidates, the requirement is second class with 50%. Final year students can also apply, provided they can present their certificates during document verification. Only specific engineering disciplines mentioned in the notification are acceptable.